Hi, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. May I know your good name?
Yes, sir. Myself, Prabhu, sir.
Yeah, Prabhu. Can I have your resume? Yeah, Prabhu, before starting the interview, quickly introduce yourself and what the technical skills you have.
So, myself, Prabhu, sir. I came from Warangal, but currently staying in Ampirpet, sir. Recently, I completed my Bachelor of Degree in Old Mill College, sir. Stream of Electronic and Communication Engineering, sir. And
Yeah.
also completed my intermediate in SR Junior College, sir, which is Anmakonda. And also completed my school secondary education in Fuscos High School, which is Ordanapet. Coming to my family, sir, we are belongs to a nuclear family. My father is a farmer, my mother is a housewife. My hobbies are playing games, listening music, sir. Strengths, quick learner, time management. My weakness are wasting of time, sir.
Yeah, fine. You are good at which programming
Python,
language?
sir.
Python. Yeah, okay, Prabhu. I'm going with the basic questions in Python.
Okay, sir.
Okay, is it okay for you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So initially, what is Python?
Python is an open source, sir, high level language and general purpose language, sir, interpreter, sir, and object oriented language, sir.
Okay.
Python was discovered by Gran Van Rassep in 1991, sir.
Okay.
Python was popular for programming, sir.
Okay.
What is mean by open source means anyone can use without free of cost, sir. We can
Without
install
paying any.
without paying any cost. We can install interpreter means it convert high level language to low level language.
Okay. So
Python
you.
is easy to learn. I think.
Yeah, okay. So I think you covered the futures as well.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. You said that 1991.
Yes, sir.
Is it correct year?
Yes, sir. 1991.
91 or 81?
91.
Yeah, okay. So once again, you check it. Okay. Yeah, fine. So can you define the data types in Python?
Yes, sir. There are 5 data types, sir.
Okay.
In number data types, sequence data types, set, dictionary, and boolean, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Number data types are int, float, complex, sir.
Okay.
Sequence, tuple, list, string, sir.
Okay.
Set and dictionary and boolean, sir.
Yeah, okay. So we have some methods in list, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I require that append method is there and insert method is there.
Yes, sir.
So what the methods will perform?
Append will add end of the list, sir. We can give only one argument.
Okay.
And insert we can add at specified position, sir.
Yeah,
We
okay.
have to give 2 arguments.
Yeah, okay. Like insert means adding the items.
Add
Append
items.
means
Adding at last item, both
Yeah.
are same, sir, but insert means we have to give specified where we
like
have
we
to
need to give the index as well.
Yes, sir. Location.
Fine. So you said Python is an interpreter
Yes,
language.
sir.
So in your meaning, what is meant by that interpreter?
Interpreter means it convert high level language to low level language or machine language which computer can understand.
Okay.
It take line by line, sir.
Okay.
It is slower than compiler. Compiler means it take throughout the program.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fine. So like, have you learned about the OOPS concept?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Inside the OOPS, we have inheritance is a one concept.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what is the inheritance and if there is any types in inheritance? Please.
The properties of parent class are into child class is known as inheritance. Advantage in meaning of inheritance means code is reusable.
Okay.
There are 5 types: single, multiple, and multi-level, hierarchical, and abstract.
Yeah. Sorry. Single.
Multiple, multi-level, hierarchical, and abstract.
Okay. So single inheritance contain how many parents, how many childs?
One parent, one child.
You said hierarchical. Hierarchical means?
Hierarchical combination of single and multiple. Sir.
Yes. Okay, fine. And so like, you know that mutable and immutable?
Yes, sir.
What is the difference between that immutable and immutable?
Mutable means change, sir.
Okay.
We can update or delete, or we can edit anything, sir.
Okay.
After the creation.
Okay.
Immutable means we cannot change after the creation.
Okay.
Best example is string, sir.
String is?
Immutable.
Okay. Why? Because we can?
You can't change.
Okay, fine. And so you know about the constructor while we are creating the application. What is meant by constructor?
Constructor is special type of method, sir.
Okay.
First argument should be double underscore into double underscore, sir.
Okay.
It does not give any argument, sir.
Okay.
And also constructor should be global variable, sir.
Yeah, okay.
Constructor call when object class is created, sir.
Yeah, okay.
There are 2 types, sir.
Is class name and constructor name is similar?
No, yes, sir.
Is class name and constructor name is similar?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, okay. So can you give the different types of constructor in Python?
There are 2 types, sir.
Okay.
Default zero parameter, a parameter constructor, sir.
Okay, so if you are not like created a constructor,
Okay, sir.
who will initialize that constructor?
Default, sir.
Default will be fine. So typecasting means,
Converting one data type into another data type.
okay, so give any example.
For example, if we can convert int into float, sir, float into int.
Yeah, okay.
And string, we can convert string into list, tuple, set.
Yeah, fine. Like, is there any types in typecasting?
Yes, sir.
We have any types in typecasting?
Typecasting string.
Okay. Converting one data type to another
Okay.
data type is a typecasting.
Okay, sir.
Is there any subtopics in typecasting?
Multi-dimensional.
Yeah, okay. We have like implicit typecasting and
Explicit,
explicit.
yes, sir.
Okay. So go through that concept as well.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So why? Because each and every conversion is not possible. If we can take int is a int, we cannot convert into character.
Yes,
Character we can
not-
convert.
not into.
Yes. Sorry, int we can convert, character we can't. So like we have something. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Go through on that also. Okay, fine. And so like we have you heard of functions
Yes, sir.
in Python?
Yes, sir.
Like we have it two functions. What are the functions?
Functions.
Like build functions and
Yes, sir. Built-in function
user
is a
dependent.
built-in function.
Okay.
Built-in functions are predefined function. Is already prepared.
Okay.
We cannot modify after the creation.
Okay.
User defined what user has to give.
Okay. Yeah, fine. It's okay. And like, okay, I think a good in program, like you have a good in programming, like practicing any numbering programs or, okay, have you practiced any use concept programs?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I required one basic program,
Yes, sir.
like you need to like write a program to create a class object.
Yes, sir.
How you can create a object? No need to write, just you can orally get.
First class, sir. Class name. Again def. First double int double underscore.
Okay,
Again self.
okay,
If we want to give arguments, we can give.
okay,
Again we have to call. We can give constructor and we can call, sir.
okay,
Again we have to give function, sir. Def function name. Again we have to call self. And we have to take friend. We have to call object
okay.
and give object.
Okay, so A class contain a show method.
Yes, sir.
I need to call in B class. How I can call?
Inheritance, sir.
How I can call? Syntax.
Syntax.
Simply you can see A. A is the class.
Yes, sir.
Inside the A class there is a show is the method.
Yes, sir.
Inside that print amp show method. There is a statement print show method. And I need to run inside the B class. How I can
With object, sir.
with object creation. After how I can call?
With the
Object
object dot
name,
sir.
method.
Method.
Okay. Yeah, fine. I think done with my side, Prabhu. Like, you have any queries to ask?
No, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. You can.